fuck you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke ass car and the shit you call art. Fuck you